Hello friends, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing about आज हम लोग जानेंगे atomic mass और these things atomic mass, Dalton's atomic theory are given in our first chapter of chemistry class 11. So we can see here we have isotopes. What is isotopes? Isotopes have same number of protons. Isotopes have same number of protons, but their neutron is different. So the number of if the number of neutrons are different, the mass will be different, but the atomic number of two elements should be, if it is an atomic number of A, and here also we have an element because it is same element, so I am naming it by A. So these two things have same proton, but their number of neutrons are less or more. In both have some different kind of neutrons, so the atomic mass will be different, but number will be same. In isobar, these things just replace like, so isobar, same number of nucleons. Here proton and neutron, nucleons is described as number of protons and neutrons in an atom or in an element. So they will be same, but mass number will be different. Because atomic number can be same, it will be same. So our mass number will be different. This is one difference. Here atomic mass will be same and here it will be different. Here atomic number will be same, but here it will be different. So we can move to our atomic mass, the main topic of this video. Atomic mass, the total number of mass of proton and neutron in an atom, or total number of atoms, mass of atoms in an atom of proton and neutron is called our atomic mass. So here its unit, it can be written in a shorter form as AMU. It is replaced by U. In our textbook it is replaced by U. So 1 AMU is equal to 1.06656. We can take it by 2 decimals or we can leave out 3 decimals. So 1.66 into 10 to the power 24 in some simple words. The formula is atomic mass number. So it is very easy. Here we have proton plus neutron. It is our formula. We don't have to do anything further than that. Now we can move to our average atomic mass and other things. Let's move to our topic, average atomic mass. Here we have weighted of our isotopes. We have the smallest particle like our atom. We have an in our this atomic mass, we will see there will be isotopes in an atom. So this will be average of their isotopes. So we can see here by an example of chlorine. There we have two types of chlorine. Their masses are two. One have 35 and one person has given 37. So here we have calculated isotopes of 0.757 multiplied by 35 and by same 37 into 0.224, because both chlorine are different, so their atomic mass will be that, and these will be added, both will be added to find a average. Average is like we have to add that. So this will be 35 or something 08 something, like this will be something 35. So we can take it our chlorine as 35. So our mass of atomic mass of chlorine is 35. So we know all that. So our mole concept, now we have our next topic, mole concept. There is nothing in our average atomic mass. People didn't ask it or it didn't come in our exam sometimes. These are rarely things which are just given to teach us something. In this concept we had to handle many small entities. What is entities? Entities, here we have an atom. So this is an atom, molecule or isotope or something, mole. So these things are pretty small, so we call them small entities or something, because they can be submerged or be in there. So these are things are called small entities. This word is, you can derive it by the small entities. So which are extremely small as well as their number. So their number is also like in point zeros and 0.06 into 10 to the power 24. So we have numbers also, like we call a dozen of banana. Like we call one dozen of banana, but there is 12 bananas. So we have a small method to call many things. So like we call army, but we didn't call that he is a soldier, he is army. So we have a common name. So there we have a common name for these numbers is given by Amedeo Avogadro. So this person gave a name called Avogadro number. A number for these equations called Avogadro number. So these number Avogadro number is 6.06673 into 10 to the power minus 24. Our Avogadro number is that. This is our Avogadro number. We can do equations by that number. Like we have our third basic concept, percentage composition. Because percentage composition is necessary to know, because we have water, if we have water, if we have HCl, if we have carbon or carbon dioxide, or we have something else, so we have to find the percentage of average things. So there the formula will be mass of that element in the compound multiplied by 100 upon molar mass of the compound. We will be given that like the compound weighted is 100 grams or 900 grams, something like that, and you will be given that element consists that much gram multiplied by 100 upon that compound, full compound. So we can calculate by percentage composition. Thank you. Now we can move to our next topic. So friends, our next topic is empirical formula. What is empirical formula? In empirical formula, we write our compounds in a simple ratio. So we can take it as we write it in a small ratio or the lowest ratio. Like we can write it. So here we got some examples for, like these are little low examples, or we know all these examples. We have P4O10. P4O10 is called phosphorus pentaoxide. So like we can see here we have molecular formula P4O10, and what is difference in that, we will take it to the smallest, or we will multiply it by same number of like our number of atoms. Like we have here P2O5 and here we have P4O10. There is no difference in ratio. We have to take no difference in ratio. Like we can write here anything. Like here we have 4 and here we have O10. So like if we will divide by 2 by both sides, so here we will find 5, here we will find 2, here we will find 5. So I want to say that कि अगर हम लोग यहाँ पे कोई भी रेशियो में लिखते हैं, रेशियो सेम होना चाहिए दोनों का, इन दोनों के एटम सेम होने चाहिए, रेशियो सेम होना चाहिए. सो यहाँ पे क्या होगा, अगर हम लोग इसको भी देखा जाए तो ये 1:1 में ही है, और अगर हम लोग P4O10 को भी देखेंगे तो वो भी 1:1 में है. सो एलिमेंट सेम है, प्रॉपर्टीज सेम है, सब चीजें सेम है. एम्पिरिकल फॉर्मूला ये है, लोएस्ट में आपको रेशियो में करके दे देना. सो हियर वी कैन सी वी हैव C10H22. इसको हम लोग बोलते हैं एल्केन हाइड्रोक्साइड, या इसको हम लोग डिकेन भी बोलते हैं. मैंने यहाँ सबका नाम लिख दिया है, इसको डिकेन भी बोलते हैं. सो ये बेसिक मटेरियल में है. हियर वी हैव C6H12O6. C6H12O6 का कॉमन नाम है, बायोलॉजी में भी आता है, ग्लूकोज नेम से जानते हैं. इसको हम लोग लिख सकते हैं CH2O. क्यों CH2 लिखेंगे, अगर हम लोग यहाँ देख सकते हैं तो यहाँ 6 के मल्टीपल्स ज्यादा है. 12 भी 6 का मल्टीपल है, तो 6 से डायरेक्ट डिवाइड करेंगे, ये 6 कट जाएगा, ये 6 कट जाएगा, 12 कट जाएगा, 2 आ जाएगा. सो ये सबसे सिंपल हो गया. अब आ गया अपना N2O4. N2O4 का हम लोग डाई हाइड्रोजन टेट्राऑक्साइड बोलते हैं. सो अब इसमें आगे देखते हैं, इसको N2O में लिख सकते हैं, NO2 में. सो अपना ये खत्म हो चुका है. अगला कॉन्सेप्ट अपना होगा मोल कॉन्सेप्ट. सो उसको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में करते हैं. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग एंड होप यू लाइक एंड सब्सक्राइब. नेक्स्ट वीडियो में देखेंगे. So friends, our next video will be on mole concept, and we can meet in next video, because mole concept is a big topic and it needs a time to write and things. So we can meet in next video, and I will explain mole concept with some example, pretty much example, 3 or 4 examples. by doing equations on some elements, carbon, hydrogen and these things. So we can meet in our next video. Hope you like the video, share your feedback and like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.